Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing well. So welcome back to my class. In this video I will cover class 6 maths chapter number 5. Chapter name is Understanding Elementary Shape Summary. Okay, Understanding Elementary Shape of Geometry. So this is the introduction part of this chapter. First we will know about lines and angle. Okay, lines and angle about geometry. So you can see the first one, angles and line. Okay, so first one you can see this. What is this? Right angle. Right angle means what? 90 degree. Okay, right angle means what? 90 degree. Now acute angle. Acute angle is what? Less than 90 degrees. So symbol will be in this way, less than 90. This is 90, so if it is less than, so it is coming down. So this is less than 90 is called acute angle. Now obtuse angle. Okay, what is obtuse angle? Greater than 90 degree. Okay, this is what? Greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Now angle bisector. So this is angle and this line is the angle bisector. Okay, means this line dividing the angle into equal parts. So suppose this is one angle and if I will throw one line, okay, but this line should be bisect. Bisect means what? Dividing this angle in two equal parts, that is called angle bisector. Now intersecting line. Intersecting line means you can see this one. Okay, any line intersecting in this way, this is called intersecting line. Now perpendicular line. Perpendicular line means when two lines will intersect in perpendicularly. Okay, so it will be what? Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So this is called perpendicular line. This is called what? Perpendicular line. Now parallel lines. So two lines. These two lines are what? Parallel. If you will extend, it will never intersect each other. So this type of lines are called parallel line. Now you can see this is a triangle and this angle is what? 90 degrees, isn't it? So longest side of this triangle will be hypotenuse and these are other two sides. And now this is the triangle. Now this part is called base and these two are the sides. And this is what? Height of the triangle. This is height of the triangle. Now here you can see circle, isn't it? So circle diameter. This middle one will be the diameter, radius, tangent, arc and chord. So these are drawn in this way. Then point. This is what? Point. And this is line, line segment. This is line segment. Then the last one is what? Last one is ray, isn't it? This is ray. Now important points. Length of a line segment. Okay, length of a line segment. The distance between the end point of the line segment is the length. Okay, suppose distance between, this is one point and this is one point. If I will join this, now this distance between these 2 points is length. Okay, is called length of the line segment. The length of a line segment can be measured accurately using a ruler or a divider. Okay, using ruler means what? Scale. Okay, this is ruler or scale is same. You have to use ruler or divider. From with the use of ruler and divider, we can measure the length of the line segment. Now complete angle. Okay, complete angle. An angle of measure 360 degree is called a complete angle. Okay, remember this. Complete angle means it will be complete. Okay, suppose this is one, then this is what? Straight angle, and complete angle will be of how much? 360 degree. Now one quadrant. Okay, you have to remember all this. This will come while solving questions. One quadrant means what? 1/4. Okay, this is what 1/4. Wait, 1/4. This is not 14. 1/4 complete angle. So 1/4. Okay, complete angle. An angle of measure 360 degree is called a complete angle. Okay, 360 degree is called what? Complete angle. You have to remember this. So complete angle is how much? 160 degree. Now right angle. So right angle, I have already explained you and I show you the angle also, but also the proper definition is what? An angle that measure 90 degree is called right angle. A right angle makes a quarter revolution. Okay, quarter revolution means full revolution. If you will make a full revolution like this, then right angle make what? Quarter revolution means one part. From this full complete angle, right angle is of one part. Now straight angle. An angle that measure 180 is called straight angle. 180, it will be what? Straight angle like this. So straight angle is of how many degree? Is 180 degree. A straight angle makes a half revolution. So half revolution means if you will make a full revolution like this, so this half will be what? Straight angle. So a straight angle makes a half revolution. Now next, acute angle. Acute angle that measure less than 90 degree is called a acute angle. Okay, very simple. Acute angle means what? Less than 90 degree. Then obtuse angle. So an angle that measure more than 90 and less than 180 is called an obtuse angle. Okay, so it will be what? More than 90 but less than 180 is called obtuse angle. It will be more than 90 but less than 180. So you have to remember this. Now reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle is what? An angle that measure more than 180 is called a reflex angle. Suppose this is one line. So if it is a straight angle, then it will be like this, isn't it? So straight angle is how much? 180. But when it will be in this way, now this is not straight, isn't it? Now this part is called what? Reflex angle. If it is straight, then it is how much? 90 degree, isn't it? But if you will make in downward, so this is not straight, so this angle will be less than 90 acute angle, but this angle will be what? Reflex angle. So this is reflex angle. Now intersecting line. Now what? Intersecting line. Intersecting line, two lines that meet each other at a single point are called intersecting. Means two lines meet at a single point. So where it is meeting? Here, isn't it? So this is called intersecting. Now next, perpendicular line. Two lines that intersect each other at a right angle are said to be perpendicular to each other. So two lines that intersect each other at a right angle. So means it will intersect at a right angle only. Okay, right angle means what? 90 degree, right angle only. Then it is called perpendicular line. Now two-dimensional figures. Okay, two-dimensional figure is what? The closed figure formed by joining three line segment end to end is called what? Triangle. Is each line segment form a side of the triangle. So that line segment is form of what? Sides, isn't it? Sides. So 2D shape, you can see these are the 2D shape. Here only one side, isn't it? For circle there is only one sides, and semicircle there is two sides. This is one and this is another. So for semicircle there is two sides. Then for triangle, how many sides are there? Three sides. So it is what? Three sides, but it is what? 2D, okay, 2D. Now again, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. These all are what? 2D shape. These all are 2D shape. Now come to next, scalene triangle. This is the definition of, this was the definition of triangle, okay. The closed figure formed by joining three line segment end to end is called triangle, and these shapes are example of two-dimensional shape. Now come to next, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. A triangle is called a scalene triangle if all the three sides are unequal length, okay. All the three sides will be what? Unequal. All the three sides will be unequal, then that is called what? Scalene triangle. Now isosceles triangle. A triangle is called an isosceles triangle if two of its sides are of equal length, okay. Two of its sides. Suppose this is triangle. Now these sides and these sides are equal, okay. This is also 3 centimeter and this also of 3 centimeter. Then this triangle is named as what? Isosceles triangle. Now next, equilateral triangle. What is this? Equilateral triangle. A triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle if the length of all of its sides are equal. So when all sides of the triangle will be equal, then that is called what? Equilateral triangle. Here all sides should be equal. Suppose this is 3 centimeter, then all the sides will also of 3 centimeter. Then that is called equilateral triangle. Now acute angle triangle. So what is acute angle triangle? If all the angle of a triangle are less than 90, okay, all the angle means how many angles are there in a triangle? There are 3 angles, and if all the 3 angles are less than 90 degree, then that is called what? Acute angle triangle. So what it is called? Acute angle triangle. So remember all this. These are very important while solving exercise question. Now next is right angle triangle, okay. Right angle triangle. If one of the angle in the triangle is a right angle, means one angle will be right, means what? One angle of the triangle will be 90 degree, okay. One angle of the triangle will be 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. Then the triangle is called what? A right angle triangle. Now next, obtuse angle triangle, okay. Obtuse angle triangle. If one of the angle in the triangle is an obtuse angle, then the triangle is called what? Obtuse angle triangle. Now if I will draw a triangle, this is triangle, isn't it? So this is also triangle. How many sides are there? There are 3 sides. Now here one angle is what? Less than one angle is greater than 90 degrees, isn't it? So if one angle is greater than 90 degree, then it is called what? Obtuse angle, okay. Obtuse angle. So this will be what? Obtuse angle means what? Greater than 90 degree. So this triangle is called what? Obtuse angle triangle, okay. Now next, parallelogram. Parallelogram. A parallelogram is a 4-sided figure, okay. In parallelogram there will be how many sides? 4 sides, in which the opposite sides are parallel to each other and are equal length. In a parallelogram, the diagonal need not be equal in length. So in parallelogram it is written, it is 4-sided figure and opposite are parallel, means this and this line is parallel, okay. And this line, this one and this sides will be what? Parallel. Their opposite sides are parallel and equal, but their diagonal are what? Not equal, okay. Their diagonal are not equal in length. Their length will be not equal. Now next is what? Rectangle. A rectangle is a type of parallelogram, okay. Rectangle is just like a parallelogram, means type of parallelogram. It will be also 4 sides that has opposite sides equal in length and parallel to each other, its diagonal are equal in length. For parallelogram, the diagonal are not equal, isn't it? But for rectangles, their diagonal are also equal. They are what? Parallel and equal, and also their diagonals are what? Equal. Okay, these diagonals will also be of equal length. A rectangle has how many angles? 4 right angles. So right angle means what? 90 degrees. So in rectangle, or all angle will be what? 90 degrees. So this all angle will be of 90 degree. Now next, square. Square is a type of parallelogram. So square is also four-sided, in which all the four sides are equal. Here all the four sides will be what? Of equal length. Okay, and its diagonal are equal in length, and these diagonals are also equal, just like rectangle. And a square has 4 right angle, and this square also have what? 4 right angle, means all sides will be equal. But in rectangle only opposite sides are equal, but all angles are also right angle, and for square also all angles are right angles. Now next, rhombus. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal in length. Okay, in rhombus all the sides are equal in length, and the opposite sides are parallel to each other. All sides will be what? Equal. All sides will be equal and parallel also. Okay, these lines are parallel to each other. Its diagonal are not equal in length, and their diagonal, okay, their diagonal will be not equal in length. Also the opposite angles are equal to each other. So for rhombus, the opposite angle, this angle will be equal to this angle. So again this angle will be equal to this angle. Opposite angles are also equal in rhombus. So please try to by heart all this property of the given figure. Okay, try to understand all this shape. These are all the shapes of geometry, isn't it? Now trapezium. Trapezium. A trapezium has one pair of sides parallel to each other. Okay, in a trapezium only one sides will be parallel. Suppose these two will be parallel and other two will not be parallel. So this is called trapezium. The other two sides are not parallel to each other. Okay, only these sides, two sides will be parallel and other two sides will not be parallel. Then that is called what? Trapezium. Okay, that figure is called trapezium. Now polygon. So polygon. So keep in mind this word polygon. What is polygon? A polygon is a closed figure with 3 or more than 3 sides. Okay, so polygon is a closed figure. Suppose I will draw, this is also 3 sides, isn't it? But this is not closed, so this will be not a polygon. So polygon will have what? Only closed figure. Okay, it will start from 3 or more than 3 sides. Okay, this is polygon. Now three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional shape means what? Solid figure have 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. Okay, for any figure which have length, breadth and height, for example a bolt, a brick, an ice cream cone and a cane. Okay, these are called what? 3 dimensions. For 3 dimensions there will be what? Length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. I will show you one example. You can see this figure. This is what? Prism, isn't it? So for this prism there is length. This is length, this is breadth and this is what? Height, isn't it? Length, breadth and height. So this is what? Example of 3 dimension. For 3 dimension there will be what? Length, breadth and height. So hope you have understood for 3 dimension. Geometry box is also example of 3 dimension. There will also be length, breadth and height. So your eraser and sharpener, okay, these all are also of 3 dimension. Now Now face. Okay, in three dimension there is face. The flat surface of a solid shape is called what? Face. Okay, for any solid figure, the plate surface is called face. Now edge. Two faces of a solid shape meet on a line segment called an edge. Okay, what is this? Two faces of a solid figure meet on a line segment. Two line segment it will meet. Then it is what? Edge. Now vertex. Now a vertex is a vertex of a solid shape is a point where three or more edges meet. Okay, three or more, not only two, three or more edges will meet. That is called vertex. Now a cuboid. So a cuboid has how many faces? 3 faces. And how many edges? 12 edges. And how many vertex? 8 vertex. Okay, 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertex. This is what prism, isn't it? So you can see face. This part is what? Face, isn't it? This is what? Face. This part is what? Face. In the same way, this part will also be safe. Edge, you can see this line, isn't it? This line are the edge. These are what? Edge. Now vertex, here you can see 3 line meet at a point, so this is vertex. Okay, now face, you can see these are face, isn't it? These are the face. Now this is another face, this is another face. So for prism, how many faces are there? There are 4 faces. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Sorry, 4 page. Then 6 edge. How many edge are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. So thank you all of you for watching my video. So in the next video I will come with the exercise of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day, and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.